Which one is it?
It's this one over here.
This one? Yeah, she's a little flat, huh?
Yeah. I was riding on that motherfucker for a while. I was banging and shit, and I didn't hear it. It made it that much worse because it's like I had my son and shit, so
Right. Well,
no damn sleep.
we have to go from the side. Your muffler's in the way.
Appreciate you coming all this fucking way.
No problem. Shit. Oh, you're really rusted under here.
Yeah. I remember I like changed it one other fucking time, and it was like right where you're at, or slightly to the right. And I just pushed it up.
All I need to do is get it up to 30 seconds.
Right? I was about to say you got the easy motherfucker too.
You want to slowly do this while I keep an eye on it?
Yeah. God.
Yeah, keep going. Looks like she's holding. All I need is a couple more pumps.
Seems pretty good then.
Well, let's see if that's enough. Too hard with it.
Yeah. Yeah, I have a friend that's in the area right
we're not
here.
up high enough yet.
No.
No.
And he has a tow truck and shit. And I already had done this and shit. And he's like, oh, bro, come by. I was like, dude, I got him on the fucking way. I'm not about to have you change it real fast. Like, no.
I'll say, honestly, it's not that bad. The only thing that sucks is, like, when you do that, the insurance don't pay us for even driving
right.
out here.
And he's
I'm
a tow
like,
truck
if you
driver,
guys would
so he
just
told me
pay
that.
us the right way, we wouldn't even be bitching.
Yep. Well, it's that, but like I knew that part too, but at the same time, I'm like, you had to drive a long fucking way. Gas ain't cheap, you know?
That's what I try to tell the insurance. They wanted me to go up to Traverse City and do a job, and I'm like, you understand, like, that's gonna be gas, though. It's like, I'm more than willing to go, but y'all better be paying that.
What do you do, like, all over?
I usually just the whole thumb, but I'll go wherever they need help. I went to Dundee for them once,
Holy shit.
which is almost Ohio.
Wow. Holy shit. Well, they gotta pay you guys at least well enough, I would assume.
I get $2 a mile.
$2 a mile?
Yep. And then the job itself is only $30.
Okay.
So I make a hell of a lot more driving.
I was about to say, it's $2 a mile, like good money at least?
Oh yeah.
Okay. All right.
I wish they would pay us going back.
Oh, so
but-
like even the return, like it doesn't do nothing for
No,
return?
not for the return. Probably because, you know, if I dropped it down to $1 a mile, they might pay me the return, but it'd equal out to the same
Well,
price.
same shit.
Right. So I'd rather just get paid one way and get a better amount than a cheaper amount both ways.
Did you come from another job? Okay, all right. I'll say like, you know,
I got one down in Saginaw